I've generated these two mood boards from by using Midjourney. I found an image of a bathroom that I liked, and then I took the URL, I pasted in the prompt, and the prompt was as follows. So /imagine. Then I pasted the prompt and I said, create a mood board and a color board, modern bathroom, black and white and grey color palette, and this is basically what it came back with. So it was really quickly, it took me less than a minute to create this, and I can then now use this to show a client and see whether that is on par with what they want, and then just incorporate real life items like the round mirror, for example, or the baskets or the tapware to showcase the illustration of what I'm thinking or where my thoughts are at. I hope that was helpful. If you like that, let me know in the messages below. Thanks.